Yeah. Permutations when applied on numbers. The digits of the numbers 1, 2, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. These digits can be rearranged to give many different 7-digit numbers. Find how many different 7-digit numbers can be made if there are no restrictions. So digits are taken from this number and again they are forming a 7-digit number. First condition, when there are no restrictions. To write that, first I need to write each number has come how many times. 1 has come once, 2 has come twice, 3 has come once, 6 also once, 7 also once, 8 also once. Right? To form a 7-digit number when there are no restrictions, 7 digits, 7 places can be made in 7p7 ways. But 2 has repeated twice, so I need to divide it by 2 factorial. This is the answer for the first bit. Next one. The digits 1, 7 and 3 in any order are next to each other. 1, 7 and 3 should be next to each other means if this is a 7-digit number, 1, 7 and 3 should be next to each other at all times means I need to consider them to be 1 unit. So this entire is 1 unit. 1 along with 4 can be shuffled in 1 plus 4 is 5. These 5 can be rearranged in 5p5 ways. Since over here 2 has come twice, I need to divide it by 2 factorial. That is for outside the unit. Now if I consider inside, in any order he told, that means these 3 numbers can also shuffle within themselves. 3 numbers can be rearranged in 3p3 ways. So this is the answer. Now next one. These 7-digit numbers are even. When do I say our number is even? By looking at the number present in one's position. Here if I fix 2, I can say this entire number will be an even number. In the same way if I fix here 6, then also I can say this will be an even number. If I fix here 8, then also I can say this will be an even number. So let us write for each and add. That will be our final answer. Now when 2 is fixed, I need to fill these 6 places by the 6 numbers. What are those 6 numbers? 1, 3, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2 is gone. So all 6 are different to be filled in these 6 places in 6p6 ways. Now when 6 is fixed, that means 2's are there, this 6 I don't have now. With these 6 numbers I need to place 6 places in 6p6 ways. Since 2 has come twice, I need to divide it by 2 factorial. Am I clear? Here all the 6 numbers were different. That's why I did not divide. Whereas here in these 6 places 2 has come twice. That's why divided by 2 factorial. Next, when I fix 8, that means 8 is no longer there. Even now those 6 should be filled over here. Can be filled in 6p6 ways. Again 2 has come twice, so I need to divide it by 2 factorial. So even numbers could be this or this or this. Whenever or comes, you need to put plus sign. So add all these 3. You get 1440. This is the answer.